Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a professional Shopify store in just about 8 minutes. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to create, manage, and grow your online store with ease. And essentially in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the process of setting up a professional looking Shopify store from scratch. By following these simple instructions, you'll be able to create a visually appealing, functional, and optimized online store in no time. So without much further ado, let's get started. So to get started, head over to shopify.com and then click on the Start Free Trial button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. And once you've signed up, you'll be able to choose from a variety of pricing plans depending on your needs and budget. And as a new user, you will be eligible for a free trial of 3 days. And then after that, you can start with any one of the main Shopify plans for only $1 a month on your first month. You can find this offer in our description box down below, so go ahead and grab it if you don't have an account already. And then after that, Shopify will take some time to set up your store, and then you will land on the Shopify admin dashboard, which will look like this right here. And then from here comes the next step, which is choosing the right theme for your Shopify store. Now this is extremely important for creating a professional and visually appealing online presence. Your theme should reflect your brand's personality and values while also appealing to your target audience. A well-designed theme can also improve your store's user experience, increase conversions, and boost your sales. So to browse and select a theme for your Shopify store, go to Online Store section of your Shopify dashboard and then click on Themes. From there, you can browse through hundreds of free and paid themes available in the Shopify theme store, and you can filter the themes by industry, features, and popularity to find the one that best fits your needs. And then after that, once you've selected a theme, you can customize it further to match your brand's colors, fonts, and other design elements. Most of the themes come with built-in customization options, and if you want to take it a level further, you can add a custom code or hire a developer to make more advanced changes. Now, if you're looking for a theme that's easy to customize and optimize for conversions, then I highly recommend using The Beautify. The Beautify is a free Shopify theme that comes with a variety of pre-designed templates, customizable sections, and conversion boosting features. With The Beautify, you can create stunning and high-converting Shopify store in minutes without any coding or design skills needed. Now note that you're not going to find The Beautify in the library of Shopify itself, but if you want to stick to Shopify's themes that you can find in the library, then you can go ahead and use the Dawn theme. It's an all-rounder, very customizable and simplistic kind of theme that you will find in the library for free. But regardless of the theme that you will choose, it's time to customize your store's design to match your brand's identity. So always start by uploading your logo and choosing your brand's colors and fonts. And you can do this by going to the theme settings or customize section of your own Shopify dashboard and then selecting the relevant options. So if you're using The Beautify, you can also use the pre-designed templates and customizable sections so that you can create a unique and professional looking store. After that, we will need to add products, collections, and pages to your store. So to add a product, go to the product section of your Shopify dashboard and then click on Add Product. From there, you can enter the product's name, description, price, and other details. To create a collection, go to the collection section and click on Create Collection, and you can organize your products into collections based on categories or seasons or any other criteria really. And finally, it is essential to create a page, so go to the Pages section and click on Add Page. From there, you can create pages for your store's About Us or Contact Us, shipping, and any other important information, such as any return policies and so on. In order to enhance your store's functionality and make it look even more professional, then you should definitely consider installing applications and integrations from the Shopify App Store. And some of the popular applications would include Oberlo for dropshipping, MailChimp for email marketing, and Yotpo for product reviews and social proof. You can also integrate your store with social media platforms such as Facebook or Instagram in order to reach a much wider audience and drive more traffic to your store. And with the store's design and content more customized, you are ready to move on to the next step, which is setting payment and shipping options. To accept payments from your customers, you will need to set up a payment gateway. And Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. So to set up a payment gateway, go to the Settings section of your Shopify dashboard and click on Payments. From there, you can select the payment gateway that best fits your needs and follow the instructions to set it up. This will heavily depend on your country or region and where you're setting your own Shopify store from. For example, many countries will not have Stripe available, but if you're from the States or Europe for example, then you will likely find all the options that you need to set up any payment gateways. And then after that, we want to set the shipping rates. So click on shipping from the left sidebar, and then from here we can set up flat rates shipping, calculated shipping, or free shipping based on your business model and shipping costs. You can also set up shipping zones and create rates for different countries or regions. In order to optimize your checkout process and reduce cart abandonment, then definitely be sure to keep the checkout process simple and streamlined. Offer multiple payment options, provide clear and accurate shipping information, and offer a guest checkout option. You can also use many apps and integrations such as Checkout Boost to further optimize your checkout process. And finally, before launching your store, it's very important to preview and test it to ensure that everything is working correctly. So to preview your store, go to the preview section of your Shopify dashboard and click on preview store, and then go ahead and test how it looks like on desktop and most importantly on mobile, since nowadays most of the digital purchases happen through mobile. And if everything looks good, then go ahead and test your store by placing a test order and go through the checkout process so that you can ensure that everything is working correctly. And that will be all on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section down below if there is anything else that you want us to cover in more detail. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.